Here at One Organized Mom, we offer a variety of cleaning services. The type of clean purchase will determine what we use to dust a client's home and how we dust that client's home. For initial cleaning and a move-in, move-out cleaning, everything in a client's home is dusted by hand. As we work from top to bottom in a client's home, during an initial cleaning, you'll definitely need a ladder to hand dust the client's fans. For this, please use a microfiber cloth sprayed with a small amount of our number 1 cleaner. Make sure to dust the hardware on the fan as well as the blades. Blinds and shutters are also dusted by hand during an initial cleaning. Make sure to not only dust the window coverings by hand, but dust the ledges of the windows as well. As you work your way from top to bottom, you will also be dusting the door frames, door jambs, doors, and wall decor by hand. As you work top to bottom, you will dust each surface in the client's home by hand. Please use our hypochlorous acid sprayed onto your microfiber cloth to do this. A magic eraser may be used to gently scrub any water rings or residue off tabletops. When dusting, we do not dust electronics. We do not dust televisions or computer screens, nor do we ever go inside a closed entertainment center. We will be dusting light bulbs, but only with a dry cloth. Additionally, we wipe down all light switches as we move throughout the clean. Lastly, we will be dusting the baseboards by hand. For heavy buildup, you may need to spray your microfiber cloth with some of our number 1 product.